What's up everybody, today I'm going to show you a new package. Today's unboxing video is a purchase from Clifton Cameras that we got. We're looking for something to sort of increase the production value of our videos and things. So we went with the Canon XC10. We originally purchased an order from Production Gear and it was purchased on the 11th of October and it's still, to this day, it hadn't arrived. So we cancelled the order with them. Clifton Cameras, next day delivery, sorted it straight away for us. So we're just going to open the package now. So we've got this big box here just for the little camera. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside.
A lot of foam.
So we've got a lot of green little them. And then here we've got a little fragile box. Pull that out. And then this is the box we've got. So it's got nice fragile stickers on. Put that open. So there we have it, the Canon XC10. That's going to be our new video camera for all our productions when we do music videos and things like that. Take a look inside the box and see what's in there. So we've got all the usual wires and straps and things like that. Also we'll get a battery with it, which is the same battery that we use for our 70D for the vlogging camera, and also the 5D Mark IIIs. Battery charger, some more USB cables and things like that, and also a nice little Canon remote. Then in here we have the little viewfinder, so when you're shooting in the daytime you can attach that onto the screen and see what's on the screen. And also we've got the lens hood for that as well. And here it is. Lovely little compact Canon XC10. So it's just like sort of the DSLR size, so 5D Mark III size, so it's nice and portable, and it comes with the adjustable handle and sort of the little flippy out screen so you can see what's going on up and down. And in the back you've got access for your cards, so you put your CFast card in for your 4K video and also your SD card. So yeah, we'll get that open and get using it and see how it comes out. So thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.
Bye.